I'm explaining one more time here. So till now we learned about how to upload a file from our system into HANA database table. Now the scenario we are covering is appending new records into the existing table. So maybe this is more clear to understand. Appending new records to the existing table. So to do that, first of all, we need to create one more data set. Okay, one more data set. Go to new Excel sheet and to this which table so my table contains still same structure, but I wish to upload new data. So last time I have data till 1004, so bill number I will generate from 1005. Okay, so 2022. So to make in Excel file, why I am giving this single hyphen, because if you give something like this, now system will consider this as a number, but date is not a number file. To make it string character string type, I need to specify this a single hyphen. Okay, single quote. So 2022-0201 and customer C1, material M1, quantity 100 pieces. So I will try to upload 3 records at minimum here. 2022-0201 C2 customer M1 material 150 pieces, 1007 number, and 2022-0201 C3 customer M2 material 50 pieces. So let's take these 3 records. Now I am trying to save my file as a CSV file here. Same like earlier, browse CSV comma delimited under sales 3 underscore part 2 means appending part 2. So save. So if you see here, a new file was created, part 2, which is containing 3 records. But remember, if you want to just see the data what is saved in your CSV file, don't open it in the Excel format. Always try to open this file in a Notepad only. Right click, open with Notepad. If you open your file on a Excel format, system will change, you may change your data type from string to numbers, where you have complete numbers like this. Auto format will happen, so there will be chance of losing the what you say, data type of properties and all. Okay, we can cover later also that point. So closing. So this is the 3 records you have in your file. Now what we are going to learn is appending, how I can load this part 2 information into my HANA database. So everything is same as except small changes. So go to file, import data from local file, next HANA database user, next, and select your file here, part 2. Now comma delimited, header row exists 1. Here is the change. So instead of new schema, new table, we are going to select the existing table, because you are going to append the data to existing table. Okay, then select table. You need to go to your schema and select your table name, A underscore sales. Click on OK. Now click on next button. Now what happening is, this is on the left hand side you are seeing your file structure, on the right hand side you are seeing your table, existing table structure. Now you need to map the fields between your source file to your target table. Okay, so either you can do one-to-one mapping in this way. Okay, by dragging and dropping from left hand to right hand, you can enable mapping, or there is an option called mapping menu. Go here and select one-to-one. What is one-to-one mapping? It means first column to first column, second column to second column, in that way. If you feel both your file and your target table are having same sequence of fields, then you can go for one-to-one mapping. Or if you providing proper name, technical name same on both your table and your file, then you can go by map by name. Even though jumble order, even though the columns are on a jumble order, if you do by map by name, based upon the names of the columns, the system will do mapping. In our scenario, one-to-one mapping is okay, because everything is on sequential. Okay, So the data from my file will be loaded to these many columns here. And you see below you are seeing your data in your Excel file. Okay, you must see at least once your data so that you get to know any wrong format of data is loading to your data or not. So it is saying already there is data on your table and you are going to append this data to your table. So this is fine and click on finish. Now you see my new job was created and this was also successful. Okay, now if I go to my table and do refresh, you see on the right hand side here you have refresh button. If you do refresh, you see a new appended records are you can find here. Okay, and stable structure we didn't touch, so it will be as it is, and here it is like this. Okay, so this is how to append data to the existing table, existing HANA database table. Okay, I hope it is clear.